back to Weems Motor Co. I'm Weems and I love Triumphs, okay? They're the best motor ever made by any British company ever, and we love the British. So we're here at Mama Tried. My bike's in it. It's a drag bike, all right? I brought my friends here, the Easy Company. There they are. Nice.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Yeah, exactly, all right? They're crazy guys. They drink too much, you know? We're here, Mama Tried, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, all right? There's only one Triumph here, and it's me.
Did you know that there's only one Triumph on the floor? And
One.
It's your
mine.
bike.
It's my
Your
bike.
bike.
It's my bike. It's my bike. It goes fast. All right? We race. Triumphs.
Into it. My whole meal.
Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die out here in Milwaukee.
I don't know this. I don't know this.
Well, hey, what do you guys want to listen to? That. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
All right, here we are. At setup, Mama Tried 2023, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The high today is
It's 22.
22 degrees. Woke up this morning, 13 degrees.
Not okay.
Us Florida people were suffering here, but we're having a great time watching all of these amazing motorcycles get prepped, get photographed before they get started setting everything in place. So let's go see what kind of things we can get into today. That we
Let's
can,
go.
That we can get into today, and let's head over to the museum and see what they got there.
That sounds good. Okay, bye.
All right, seriously guys, it's like high of 23 today here in Milwaukee.
22.
22, my wife just says. And we're at the Harley Museum, getting ready to go check out some cool motorcycles. I say it's the enemy's territory, but you know what? Everybody loves motorcycles, regardless of the name that's on the side of the tank. We're gonna go look at some cool vintage bikes. Let's go, let's see it. What's going on here at the Harley Museum. We are deep within the enemy territory, Harley-Davidson Museum.
And surprise, surprise.
Like the other side of America, and it's freezing cold, and you run into your cool friends from down in Florida.
It's super cold.
It's like freezing
I
outside.
had an iced coffee and I'm just like, this was a bad choice.
Yeah, no. Milwaukee in February was a fantastic choice for a motorcycle. I get it. Everybody's looking for their motorcycle fix after being frozen, sitting inside all the time.
Yep.
No better time than to come up to Milwaukee, hang out with our friends from Florida, and we all get to freeze to death.
Hell yeah.
It's like good times.
My fingers are still defrosting. Triumph built going in here though.
Listen,
It's warm.
it's warm. And secondly, all old motorcycles are cool. So that's it. It doesn't matter what it says on the side of the motor or side of this tank. All old motorcycles are cool. So there we go. We'll just face this way. Look at that beautiful lighting and a beautiful lady.
Oh, thanks.
Freezing our butts off. Well, it's not as cold for you as it is for a Florida boy like me.
It's still very cold, but it's super windy, so it's bitter. It's just painful.
It's so windy in this museum. It's like
I'm
so
sweating
ridiculous.
in here.
All right, so I asked Blockhead and I asked Chris. So now I'm asking you, what year is your favorite Harley-Davidson that's ever been made? Like favorite year?
So I I really love newer motorcycles,
Yeah?
actually.
That's
so
all good.
I was gonna say my bike, the 2018, is my
Oh,
favorite, but
okay.
I think hands down the favorite Harley-Davidson I've ever ridden is the 2022 Lowrider ST.
Oh wow.
Genuinely, I love that bike.
That motorcycle has aged. It's like a fine wine. It's so old.
Yeah.
And it's like
It's you know.
there's probably
it's
motorcycles in here that have less miles on it than that
true.
motorcycle. So,
It's new
yeah.
age vintage. Come on, we're all
New
gonna.
new age vintage. New age vintage. So, very cool. There you have it. Her two wheels, 2022. What you said, Road King Special?
Nope, Lowrider ST.
Lowrider ST.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm way off. It's Harley
King
words.
Special's a beautiful bike too,
Yeah.
actually. I love the touring models.
Yeah, they're all great. They're all great. Let's go check out some more cool motorcycles. First time at a motorcycle race. What do you think, babe?
It's loud.
It's loud. It is loud. A chopper took number 2. How cool was that?
That was awesome.
Sitting up here in the VIP section, hanging out with all the other cool builders from Mama Tried, having a great time. Man, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I found my brother in Milwaukee. This is crazy. All right, so we've had a few races under our belt. What has been your favorite thing to watch so far at the races?
The little kids racing, they're so cute.
That little girl riding on a trike was just the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my life.
Little legs.
I was like, that is like a killer leg day. My quads would be on
For
fire. But she was the most adorable thing. So I'm loving it, loving spending time with my wife here at Flatout
Same.
Friday, part of Mama Tried weekend. Super stoked. I think the next part of this video, we'll be getting to the show portion. And we're just gonna have a few more drinks here in the VIP area.
Why not?
With that, cheers, Bree.
Cheers.
Cheers, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Right here at Mama Tried 2023. Got our bike on display right in the middle of the floor. Super cool. Tons of people here. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna go check out a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool motorcycles, so you guys do not want to miss this part of the video. Hang around. What's up, everybody? So day 2, Mama Tried here in Milwaukee. I apologize. I haven't been a really good YouTuber, and hopefully today that I can probably do a lot better job at doing this. So, as you see behind me, we're just getting started. Day 2, Sunday, Milwaukee, Mama Tried 2023. Let's go check it out. Let's see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. guys, so like I said yesterday in the video, we are the only Triumph here at Mama Tried this year. Such an honor to be a part of that, but there is this really amazing bike by a gentleman named Christian Sosa. He built this motorcycle. It's right here behind us. Such an amazing motorcycle. Number one, it has a Triumph pre-unit transmission in it, but number two, it has a super rare, almost 100-year-old Douglas engine that has opposing twin cylinders. So cool. The metal fabrication is more than anything you could ever imagine in your life. He did an amazing job. So I haven't had a chance to meet this guy. I would love to meet him, love to shake his hand because he did some amazing fabrication, but there are so many motorcycles like this at Mama Tried, and you do not want to miss those. That is 19 Gremlin bells on one motorcycle. I think they're going to be safe. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up here at Mama Tried 2023. Super excited to have this opportunity to come out and hang out with you guys. But if you are new around here, make sure you jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.